Hello, everyone. My name is Lexi, and welcome back to my English podcast. Today, we're going to learn something super practical: how to speak English at a restaurant. Whether you're traveling or living in an English-speaking country, you need to know how to order food. So let's learn together. When you arrive at a restaurant, someone will greet you. This person is called the host or hostess. They might say, "Hello," "Welcome," "How many people?" "Table for two." You can answer, "2 people, please," "Just me," if you're alone. "3, please," "Let's practice." Say, "2 people, please." Good. Then they might ask, "Do you have a reservation?" A reservation means you called before and saved a table. If yes, yes, under the name Lexi. If no, no, we don't. Last week, I went to a nice restaurant with my brother Tom. The hostess asked, "Reservation?" Tom said, "Yes," under Tom, but they couldn't find it. Tom forgot to make the reservation. We had to wait 30 minutes. I said, "Tom, next time I'll make the reservation." The host will say, "Follow me, please," or "Right this way." They take you to your table. You sit down, then your server or waiter or waitress comes. They'll say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I'll be your server today. Can I start you off with drinks? Would you like something to drink?" You can say, "Can I have water, please?" "I'll have a Coke." "Just water for now, thanks." Then they give you the menu. The menu shows all the food and drinks. Take your time. Look at the menu. If you don't understand a word, you can ask, "What is this? What's in the pasta? Is this spicy?" Your turn. Imagine you're looking at a menu. Say, "What is this?" Perfect. When you're ready, the server comes back and asks, "Are you ready to order?" "What can I get for you?" If you're ready, "Yes, I'd like the chicken, please." If not, "Can we have a few more minutes?" Here's how to order. "I'll have the salmon." "I'll have equals I want." "Can I get the burger?" "I'd like the pasta, please." One funny story. I was at a restaurant and I wanted to order fish, but I forgot the word salmon. So I said, "The pink fish?" The waiter smiled and said, "The salmon?" I said, "Yes." That one. So embarrassing. If you want to change something, you can say, "No tomatoes, please." "Can I have it without onions?" "Dressing on the side, please." Dressing equals sauce for salad. Practice. Say, "I'll have the chicken, please." Excellent. While you're eating, the server might come and ask, "How is everything? Is everything okay? How's your meal?" You can say, "It's delicious, thank you." "Very good." "It's great." If there's a problem, "Actually, this is cold. Can you warm it up? I ordered the salad, not the soup." It's okay to speak up. Politely, of course. If you need something, "Excuse me, can I have more water?" "Could we get some napkins?" Napkins equals paper to clean your hands/mouth. "Can I have the salt, please?" When you finish eating, you need to pay. You need to ask for the bill or check in American English. Say, "Can we have the bill, please?" "Check, please." We're ready for the check. The server brings the bill. You can pay with cash, pay with a credit card. If you pay with a card, they might ask, "Would you like to add a tip?" A tip is extra money you give to thank the server for good service, usually 15 to 20% in Canada and the US. You can say, "Yes, 20% tip, please." "I'll leave cash." Put money on the table. Last month, I went to a restaurant and the service was amazing. The waiter was so friendly and fast. I left a big tip, 25%. He said, "Thank you so much." It made me feel good. When you're done, you can say, "Thank you. Have a good day. The food was great," and then you leave. And now let's review the most important phrases. When arriving, "2 people, please." No reservation. When ordering, "I'll have the chicken, please." "Can I get the pasta?" "No onions, please." During the meal, "It's delicious." "Can I have more water?" When paying, Check, please. I'll pay with card. Practice time. Say 3 phrases out loud right now. Go ahead. And this time, I have a challenge for you. If you can, go to a restaurant and try to order in English. If you can't go to a restaurant, practice at home. Imagine you're in a restaurant and say the phrases out loud. Practice makes perfect. The more you say these phrases, the easier they become. Tell me in the comments, have you ever ordered food in English? How did it go? What did you order? I want to hear your stories. So today we learned how to speak English at a restaurant, from arriving and ordering to asking for the bill and leaving. Remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Servers are usually very patient and helpful. Even if you forget a word or say something wrong, they'll understand. The important thing is to try. I believe in you. You can do this. Thank you so much for listening today. Don't forget to subscribe to my podcast and share it with your friends who are learning English. See you next time. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your next meal at a restaurant. Bye-bye.